Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. In the afternoon of 24th August, 38 new members of ADMA made their solemn promise to marry help of Christians in the presence of Father Bosco Ngingi, MYM Superior in the Church of Child Jesus in Yangon, Myanmar. In the morning at 9 o'clock, the Superior had also held a conference on the spirituality of ADMA. Subsequently, there were moments of silent personal prayer, meditation, confession, Eucharistic adoration and the Rosary as organized by the head of the Salesian Family Commission, Father John Gam Seng, SDB. The congregation was very happy to attend the ceremony. At the moment, there are already 99 members of ADMA in Myanmar. On 24th August, Salesians Victor Manuel Barrios de Anguilla Guatemalan and Lucas Kuk Hung Tran, missionary to gentes from Vietnam, made their perpetual profession. The solemn Eucharist, presided over by the Superior of the Divine Savior Province of Central America, Father Julio Navarro, took place in the Templo Maria Auxiliadora in the Salesian Santa Cecilia College. Preparations for the 155th missionary expedition began on 25th August 2024 with the arrival in Rome of the 27 departing missionaries. The missionaries were welcomed by the General Counselor for the missions, Father Alfred Maravilla, and by all the members of the mission sector team in the Caferino Namuncura community in Bufalota, Rome. The Corso Germoglio of beginners course exclusively for missionaries at Gentes, at Exteros and at Vitam, with a duration of 5 weeks before the missionaries sent off. The beginners course coordinator Father Reginaldo Cordero explains, is intended as orientation and immediate preparation of the missionaries before their departure. From Tuesday 20th to Friday 23rd August, 20 Salesians, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians and lay collaborators gathered in Bled at the Salesian Forum. The forum was held for the first time at the Marjan Dom Retreat Center of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Bled, Slovenia. The theme chosen for this edition of the forum was Giving a Second Chance. The participants came from different countries in Europe and the world: Belgium, Malta, Italy, Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, Czech Republic, Costa Rica and Nigeria. The World Presidency of the Past Pupils Don Bosco has convened the Extraordinary World Assembly of Past Pupils, whose theme is Walking Together, Changing to Continue, to take place from 2nd to 6th October in Valdocco, Turin at the Salesian Mother House. An event attended by 200 delegates from 40 countries representing Asia, Africa, America, Europe and Australia. After the pandemic, which forced past pupils to renew their positions through an online platform, it is the first time face-to-face meeting that will bring together all the world leadership of those who are grateful for the education received at the Don Bosco School. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Monalisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.